Hello everyone. So today we are learning about the contract costing. So we'll show the question here. So this is the question. It is based on when the contract is extended. So what happens is when the contract is extended, this contractor he will be incurring some expenses. Okay. So that again expenses for him. And regarding the profit also we'll be calculating the estimated profit here. Okay. So let me explain this with the help of this question. Okay, see the question here. The contract ledger of Sharma and Company showed the following expenditure on account of a contract on 31st March 2018. Okay, date is given 31st March. And expenses, see the expenses here, material. So all the expenses will come under contract account debit side. So material debit side, plant debit side, wages debit side, sundry expenses debit side, establishment charges debit side. Regarding the plant also in the previous classes I have given explained why we have to write the plant in the debit side of the contract account, right? See, because in the debit side we'll be writing the cost of the plant, in the credit side we'll be writing at the end of the year what is the value of the plant. It means the difference is treated as depreciation. So depreciation is a expenses, we'll be writing under debit side. So instead of writing depreciation, what I told you, instead of writing depreciation, write opening balance, that is plant cost in the debit side, and at the end of the year planted side will be in the credit side. Got it? So that's why a plant we have to write it under debit side. I hope it is clear to you. So in the debit side of the contract account, mention the expenses. Okay, then the contract was started on 1st April 2017 and contract price is 10 lakh. Cash received to the date rupees 4,80,000, representing 80% of the work certified. Okay, they have given the cash received. It means this 4,80,000 which is given in the question. Okay, this is 4,80,000 which is given in the question. It is cash received. It is 80%. Okay, you need to calculate for 100% what will be the value. Is that clear to you? I'll repeat. 4,80,000. 80% means it is 4,80,000. 100% will be how much? Got it? So that will be 6 lakh. 6 lakh will be the work certified. I hope it is clear to you. 6 lakh will be the work certified. Okay. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 80% ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it is 4,80,000. 100% will be how much? That will be 6 lakh. Work certified, we have to write it under credit side of the contract account. Then the value of the plant on 31st March 2018 was 20,000. So at the end of the year plant remained. It means the planted site, we have to write it under credit side of the contract account. Value of material on hand was rupees 6,000. So at the end of the contract, material at site it is 6,000. Write it under credit side. Then the cost of work finished but not certified. So it is a work uncertified. So work uncertified will be, write it under credit side of the contract account. I hope it is clear to you till here. Got it? Next. Some material costing rupees 20,000 were found unsuitable and were sold for 16,000. Okay. Material cost idadu 20,000, sold for 20,000. So, sorry, sold for 16,000. What happened here? 20,000 was the cost, sold for 16. How much lost? So 4,000 will be the loss on sale of the material. Okay. So two things you have to make a point regarding this. So whenever there is a sale of material, okay, what is the value of the material here? 16,000. That is the sale value of the material. 16,000 will be writing under credit side of the contract. Okay, as by bank account 16,000. Now one more thing regarding whether you have incurred profit or loss. So here what cost was 20,000, sold for 16,000. Okay, so there is a loss of 4,000. So whenever there is a loss on sale of any material, that will be writing under credit side of the contract account. That is what is a loss value, that is 4,000. Is that clear to you? I hope it is clear to you. Please write it under working note. That is regarding material. Okay, 20,000 minus 16,000 will be 4,000. 16,000 in the credit side of the contract and 4,000 will be credit side of the contract, that is by loss on sale of any loss of sale of a material. I hope it is clear to you till here. Okay, next. Some material, this is done. A part of the plant costing rupees 5,000 was unsuited to the contract, sold at a profit of 1,000. Okay, so here in this case, cost is 5,000. Okay, cost is 5,000, sold sold at a profit of 1,000. What will be the selling price? Cost is 5,000, sold for a profit of 1,000. So they have sold for how much? They have sold for 6,000. They have sell at a profit of 1,000. So it will be selling price will be 6,000. I hope you understood. Okay. Now where and all I have to write these? Sale value. Whenever there is a sale of any plant, what will be writing? By bank. Okay. By bank in the credit side of the contract. Okay, credit side of the contract ಅಲ್ಲಿ by bank ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That will be the 6,000. I hope you understood how you got 6,000. That is cost is 5,000, sold at a profit. So profit ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to add it. So 5,000 plus 1,000 will be 6,000. You have to write it under credit side of the contract. What about profit? By selling the asset, you have incur a profit. So whenever there is a profit on sale of any asset, that will be written under debit side of the contract. That is profit on sale of asset. Okay, I hope it is clear to you till here. Okay, here what I have explained regarding the material and the plant ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So ಸೇಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ we have to write it under credit side by bank account. Okay, ಸೇಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ by bank account. One more thing, by selling, whether if you incurred any loss anta bandre write it under credit side by loss on sale of asset or loss on sale of a material. If you incur a profit, write it under debit side. Write it under debit side, that is to profit on sale of asset or profit on sale of a material. Okay, I hope it is clear to you till here. Okay, next. In order to calculate the profit made on 31st March 2018, the contractor estimated further expenditure that would be incurred in completing the contract. So again, what happened? Again, he have incurred some expenses. Sorry. So whenever he incur any expenses, okay, again we have to prepare some estimated profit. Okay, this will come under that. Okay, I hope you understood. Contract account, it is similar, same how we have prepared before, same thing. Extra is estimated profit. Some changes is there in the calculation of the profit to be transferred. Okay, so I'll explain that. Next, the contract would be completed by 30th September 2018. So again, 6 months extra they have taken. Got it? 6 months extra they have taken. The further sum of 30,000 would be spent on plant. So again they have spent, okay, that should be added. Okay, that is added to the plant. Then residual value of the plant on the completion of the contract would be 60,000. So residual value should be deducted. See, one thing I'll tell you here. By the end of the day, okay, by the end of the day, that is end of the contract is 31st March 2018. What will remain in the contract? One is material, right? One is material will be remained. One is plant will be remained. What they do? If they extend the contract, this they will use, right? They will use the remained material and remained plant. So remember that point. Okay. So here plant for how much remained at the end of the year. At the end of the year, planted site for that add 30,000. Okay, this is the calculations part. I'll tell. Okay, then minus the residual value. I hope that is clear to you. I'll show the solution. Then the materials in addition to those on hand on 31st March 2018 would cost rupees 1 lakh. Okay, I told you in the contract two things will remain, material and plant. So material at the end of the year how much remain now? For that again they have incurred some expenses, that is 1 lakh, that should be added. Got it? Then sundry expenses 7,000. So this is also the expenses. I'm just telling which are the expenses here. Okay. The wages would amounted to rupees 1,69,000. So wages direct agi kottidare, it is a expenses. Then the establishment charges would cost the same amount per month as in the previous year. Now you should see here what is the establishment charges. How much? 10,000. So this 10,000, it is for full year. Full year means how many months are there? 12 months. Okay, 10,000, it is for 12 months. You need to calculate for 6 months. Got it? Because contract is extended till 30th September. So 6 months. So you have to calculate 6 months. For 6 months it will be 5,000. I hope it is clear to you. Establishment charges in the question they have given 10,000. It is for full year. Got it? So our contract is extended for 6 months. So calculate for 6 months what will be the establishment charges. It would come 5,000. Got it? Then total rupees 15,000 would be sufficient to meet the contingencies. So contingency idu kuda expenses for the contract. Expenses in the contract. Okay, now let us prepare the contract account. So what I told is material, then plant, wages, sundry expenses, establishment charges. Okay, first we have written in the debit side. Then in the question they have told material sold. Okay, for rupees 16,000. Okay, cost is the 20,000, sold for 16,000. So you have incurred a loss. So loss on sale of material we have written in the credit side of the contract account by profit and loss account. That is loss on sale of material. Can write by abnormal loss also. Same thing it is. Okay. Then one more thing regarding the plant. So regarding the plant, what they mentioned, plant costing rupees 5,000 was sold at a profit of 1,000. It means sale value became 6,000. So whenever there is a sale, we have to write by bank account. I hope it is clear to you. 6,000 bandat hai ki 5,000 plus 1,000 will be 6,000. And what about the profit on sale of plant will be written in the debit side of the contract. I hope it is clear to you till here. Then at the end of the year, plant how much remained and material how much remained, that will be written under credit side of the contract. So it will be by material at side, by plant at side. So after this now, Okay, in class I have explained in different method. Now you listen this method. You have to total here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ total it, which side is more, debit side is more, credit side is less. Debit side all the expenses, credit side it's the cost. Okay, the cost of the contract is 5,47,000. Got it? That will be brought down here. So in the class what I have explained was directly the by work in progress. Okay, for the extended contract you calculate like this. Got it? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತುಂಟಲ್ಲ, because in the class what I have explained was I have explained by work in progress here itself. I didn't calculate the cost of contract, but here you calculate, it will be easy for the calculation. Got it? So it will be cost of contract carried down, that will be brought down here to cost of contract brought down 5,47,000. I hope it is clear to you till here. Got it? Next anta anta helidre we'll be writing the work in progress. Okay, same procedure, that is work certified we have calculated. How you got 6 lakh? They have not given in the question, but what I told, whenever they give the cash received, okay, cash received is 80% of the work certified. They have given 4,80,000. It means it is a 80%. For 100%, what will be the work certified? That will be 6 lakh. Okay, work uncertified also they have given, so total will be 6,50,000. Till here clear to you? I hope you understood this calculations. Okay, then find the difference. Same, that is notional profit carried down, the notional profit brought down. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ I hope you understood. It is same which we have followed before. But what will change, I'll tell you. Whenever there is an extended contract, okay, these two will change. The calculation part of profit and loss account and the reserve will change. So before, how we used to calculate the profit, it is based on the percentage of work certified now. But now it's not like that, because again we have incurred some expenses and your profit will be changed. So that's why we won't calculate this based on the percentage of work certified. We are not calculating. So before that, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Till here I hope you understood by notional profit brought down. Till here I hope you understood. Till tick mark what I have marked here, I hope you understood. Right? So you have to stop here. Okay, then we'll go for the calculation, that is statement showing the estimated profit. Now we need to calculate what will be the estimated profit. Okay, so your contract price is how much? 10 lakh. Contract price is 10 lakh minus estimated cost. Okay, for the estimated cost you have to mention all the estimated cost, that is cost of the contract. So cost of the contract we have calculated already now, so that's why I have left like this. So take 5,47,000. Okay, that is the cost of the contract. Then cost of material at the site. At the end of the year material is left, right? How much? 6,000, and extra material we have purchased it, so add 1 lakh, so it will be 1,06,000. I hope you understood. See the question. Okay, you have question bank now, just see the question. There in the adjustment they have mentioned for material 1 lakh extra they have purchased, that's why I have added 1 lakh. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Then sundry expenses they mentioned 7,000. In the adjustment they have given, so again expenses you have to mention. Regarding the plan, what I have told you, at the end of the year how much plant remained, okay, mention that. Okay, that is plant at site. Okay, plant at the site 20,000. Then extra what, see the adjustment, that is second adjustment. Further sum of 30,000 would be spent on plant. So add 30,000 extra expenses, then deduct the residual value. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Plant uldadu estu 20,000 at the end of the contract. Extra they have purchased it, add it. and residual value, resale value is 12,000, so deduct it. So you will get 38,000. Then wages directly they have given in the question is 1,69,000. Okay, in the question itself ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ adjustmentally. Then establishment charges, what they mentioned is based on the previous contract. The establishment charges would cost the same per month as in the previous year. So previous yearly, what was the amount of establishment charges? It is 10,000 now. That is for 12 months. Our contract was for 12 months now. Now again it is extended to 6 months. So calculate only for the 6 months. So it will be, cost will be 5,000. I hope it is clear to you till here. Do you have any doubts? I hope you don't have any doubts. You are clear with this point. Then provision for contingency, it is 18,000. Now you add all the expenses. First, okay, I have written the contract price. Okay, deduct the estimated cost. So these are the costs. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ cost we are incurring. One is cost of the contract. Okay, cost of the contract. Then the extra expenses which we have incurred for extended contract. Okay, that should be added. So it comes to 8,90,000. So this will be the estimated cost. Okay, from the contract price, deduct your expenses. So how much what will be the estimated total profit? 1,10,000. I hope it is clear to you till here. Clear now? Okay. Next, calculation of profit to be credited to profit and loss account. ಈಗ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ till notional profit we have calculated now till here. Now question is how much I should transfer to the profit and loss account. Okay, to calculate this now we have the formula, that is estimated profit into work certified divided by contract price. So estimated profit we already calculated here na, same thing, into 6 lakh is work certified, contract price is 10 lakh. So you will get 66,000. I hope it is clear to you. Estimated profit already calculate ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ 1,10,000. Work certified is 6 lakh and contract price is 10 lakh. So you got 66,000. Okay, so that will be written in the profit and loss account. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, ಮುಂಚೆಲ್ಲ when you calculating the notional profit, this will be divided into two parts, that is profit and loss account and the reserve. That is based on the work percentage of work certified now. But for the extended contract, it's not like that. You need to calculate the estimated profit and based on the formula how much you will get. Okay, that will be transferred to the profit and loss account. I hope it is clear to you. Now how you got this 37,000? Tell me how you got 37,000. Notional profit is 1,03,000. Okay, 1,03,000 minus 66,000 will be 37,000. So that will be goes to the reserve. Clear, students, till here? Any doubts? Difference ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, I hope. Okay, I hope you understood whatever I explained. So if you all have any doubts, please let me know. I hope you don't have doubts. Okay, we'll see. If you like the video, please press like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.